Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting everything ready. Connect the capture card to your PC and plug the Xbox HDMI OUT into the capture card HDMI in. Once done, power the capture card and make sure your PC recognizes it in Device Manager. Install the manufacturer driver and open your streaming app. You do this first so the signal path is complete and drivers are matched, which prevents handshake errors later. Make sure USB 3.0 ports show activity and set console display to 1080p for stable capture. You now configure the capture stream. In Xbox settings, choose 1080p 60Hz and turn off HDR if your capture card lacks HDR pass-through. Then open OBS. Add a video capture device, pick the capture card, set it to 1920x 1080 and 60 FPS, and choose the correct audio source so game sound is captured. Once set, test a short recording to confirm sync. If you want zero latency play, enable HDMI pass-through on the card and monitor audio through the. You finish by testing and optimizing. Record 30 seconds and watch for audio lag and dropped frames. If you see a black screen, recheck HDMI connections, swap HDMI cables, and try another USB 3.0 port. Reinstall drivers if needed. If dropped frames persist, lower the bitrate or switch to a hardware encoder in OBS to reduce CPU load. One key tip: reboot the console and PC after driver installs. This often resolves handshake and device recognition issues immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.